In the mountains, where the winds do weave, there stands a tree with secrets to believe. Its leaves are green, so bold and bright, a gift from earth, a sacred light. Have you ever heard of a humble leaf that could unlock centuries of wisdom and ancient healing secrets? A leaf so powerful, it's been revered across continents for millennia. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history and surprising health benefits of the Boldo leaf. A natural remedy that might just change the way you think about herbal medicine. The legend of Boldo, a symbol of protection and healing. Long ago, in the heart of the Chilean Andes, there was a small Mapuche village, nestled between towering mountains and wild rivers. The villagers had a deep respect for the land and its many gifts. Among the sacred plants that grew on the land, the Boldo tree stood tall and proud, its leaves emitting a pungent aroma that seemed to speak to the very soul of the land. One winter, a fierce illness spread across the village. People grew weak, their bodies tired, their stomachs bloated with toxins, and their minds foggy. Despite the efforts of the village's healers, the sickness would not relent. Desperate, the elders convened to consult the spirits for guidance. In a dream, one of the village's wise elders, an old woman named Wimelda, was visited by the spirit of the Mapu, the spirit of the land. The Mapu appeared as a giant, towering Boldo tree, its leaves glowing with an ethereal light. "The Boldo tree is your protector," the Mapu said. "Its leaves carry the strength of the earth. If you drink its essence, the illness will fade." The leaves are not just a medicine, they are a gift, a blessing, from the earth itself. The elder awoke and rushed to the village healer, who had long used Boldo leaves for minor ailments, but never thought to use them for something so powerful. After Wimelda shared the dream, the healer prepared a tea from the Boldo leaves and gave it to the villagers who were suffering the most. To their astonishment, within a day, the people began to recover. Their digestion returned to normal, their energy was restored, and the fog of sickness lifted from their minds. From that day forward, the Boldo tree was considered sacred to the Mapuche. It was believed that the leaves not only healed the body but protected the spirit. Villagers would often place Boldo leaves around their homes, believing the plant would ward off negative energy and bad spirits. The tree's wisdom and strength became intertwined with the very fabric of the village's survival. The legend of Boldo was passed down through generations, and today, it's said that anyone who seeks Boldo's healing power must do so with a respectful heart, for the plant will only share its gifts with those who honor its deep connection to the land. A fragrance strong, so pure, so true, it whispers tales of skies so blue, of ancient lands where spirits roam, and Boldo guards the heart of home. From ancient civilizations in South America to modern wellness enthusiasts worldwide, Boldo leaves have played a vital role in health and healing. So, what makes these leaves so special? The Boldo tree, Peumus boldus, is native to Chile and Argentina. For centuries, indigenous peoples like the Mapuche and the Aymara have used Boldo leaves in traditional medicine. But why? Let's start with the tree itself. Known for its distinctive green leaves and pungent aroma, Boldo was believed to be a sacred plant, a powerful symbol of health and protection. Native healers used its leaves in teas, poultices, and tinctures, treating everything from digestive ailments to infections. They knew what we're only beginning to understand today: Boldo was more than just a plant. It was a living link to wellness, passed down through generations. These leaves are packed with active compounds, including boldine, flavonoids, and alkaloids, which contribute to their therapeutic properties. Fast forward to today, and Boldo's healing powers are still being celebrated. In fact, it's even made its way into modern wellness routines, thanks to its impressive array of health benefits. With every leaf, a story told, of healing powers, calm and bold. It clears the mind, it soothes the soul, a gentle touch that makes us whole. Health benefits of Boldo leaves. 1. Supports digestive health. Digestive aid. Boldo is often used to improve digestion, particularly for those experiencing indigestion, bloating, or constipation. It stimulates the production of bile in the liver, which helps break down fats and improve overall digestion. Liver detoxification. Boldo leaves are known for their detoxifying properties, particularly in the liver. They help the liver expel toxins and support its function, promoting healthy digestion and metabolic processes. 2. Promotes liver health. Cholagogue effect. Boldo has a natural cholagogue effect, meaning it encourages bile flow, which aids in digestion and the detoxification process. By boosting bile production, it can also help alleviate issues like gallstones and gallbladder discomfort. Liver regeneration. Some studies suggest that Boldo might help in liver regeneration by reducing oxidative stress and supporting liver cells' health, which is essential for detoxifying the body. 3. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Reduces inflammation. Boldo leaves have anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce swelling, pain, and discomfort in the body. This makes it useful for conditions like arthritis or muscle pain. Boldo contains antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress in the body. This helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, promoting overall health and possibly reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. 4. Supports healthy urinary function. Diuretic properties. Boldo is a natural diuretic, meaning it increases urine production. This helps the body expel excess water and salt, supporting kidney health and aiding in the removal of toxins. Urinary tract health. Regular use of Boldo may help maintain a healthy urinary tract by promoting regular urination and reducing the risk of urinary infections. 5. Calming and stress-reducing effects. Relaxing effects. The boldine compound in Boldo is known for its ability to have a calming effect on the nervous system. It may help alleviate anxiety and stress and promote a sense of relaxation. Boldo tea improves sleep quality. Some people use Boldo to help with insomnia or poor sleep quality, as it can promote relaxation and reduce mental fatigue. 6. Weight management and metabolism boost. Metabolism booster Boldo is sometimes used to boost metabolism, supporting weight loss or weight management efforts. Its ability to aid in digestion and detoxification can help the body efficiently process food and flush out excess fats. Appetite control. The natural compounds in Boldo might also help curb cravings or reduce appetite, although this effect may be more subtle. 7. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. Fights infection. Some studies suggest that Boldo leaves possess antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help in the treatment of various infections, including skin infections and intestinal issues. Gut health. It may be beneficial in reducing harmful bacteria or microbes in the gut, which can improve overall gut health. 8. Skin health and wound healing. Topical use. In traditional medicine, Boldo leaves have been used topically as a poultice or in oils to help with skin infections, wounds, and abrasions. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help accelerate healing and reduce the risk of infection. 9. Improves mental clarity. Mental fatigue. Some people report feeling more mentally clear and focused after consuming Boldo tea. Its calming and detoxifying effects can help reduce brain fog caused by toxins, stress, or poor sleep. Cognitive function. Regular consumption of Boldo might support long-term brain health by reducing oxidative damage to brain cells and promoting clearer thinking. A sip of tea, the quiet ease that flows from Boldo's gentle leaves. It lifts the weight, it frees the mind, a treasure that the earth designed. People all around the world enjoy Boldo in the form of teas and capsules, not only for digestive benefits but for its calming effects on the mind and body. How to use Boldo leaves. The most common way to consume Boldo is as a tea. Steep a few dried boldo leaves in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Start with a small amount, 1 to 2 leaves, as it can be potent. Boldo capsules, extracts. Boldo is also available in supplement form as capsules or liquid extracts. Follow the recommended dosage on the label. Extracts, often combined with other herbs for a synergistic effect. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine. Topical use. For skin conditions, you can make a poultice by crushing fresh boldo leaves and applying them directly to the affected area. Precautions. While boldo leaves offer many health benefits, they should be used cautiously in moderation. Especially for people with liver disease or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. The compounds in boldo can have a strong effect on the liver, and overuse may cause harm. Always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating boldo into your routine. Through time it stands, so rooted deep, a promise kept, a secret keep. For those who seek its healing grace, find peace within its warm embrace. Have you ever used boldo leaves in your diet? Please write in the comment section below. Please watch my next nutritional video, or watch my nutritional healing video podcast. Let us honor, let us see, the wisdom in this humble tree. For boldo leaves, so green, so wise, hold nature's truth beneath the skies. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.